Okay, I was running out of time, so I thought I would just do another video instead of try to rush it. So go ahead right now, see if you remember how do you find D. Okay, so it's the coefficient, so it's 3, 5, 2, negative 2. So that would be negative 6 minus 10, which is negative 16. Now we have to find dx. Go ahead. Okay, you take the coefficients of x, switch it with the constant. So we'd have 1, 7, leave the y's alone, 2, negative 2. So it'd be negative 2 minus 14. Then dy, you leave the x's alone, 3, 5. And you switch the y's with the constants, which is 1, 7. So that would be 21 minus 5, which is 16. Oh, this is negative 16, by the way. So x is dx divided by d. So that would be negative 16 divided by negative 16, which is 1. Y is dy divided by d, and that would be 16 divided by negative 16, which is negative 1. So it'd be 1, negative 1. Ooh-hoo! So right now, I want you to solve this using determinants or Cramer's method. Go ahead. Okay, so D is the determinant of the coefficient, so 4, 3, 3, 2. So that would be 8 minus 9 is negative 1. Then dx, you switch the constants, 14, 10, with the x coefficients, and you leave the y's alone. So that would be 28 minus 30, which is negative 2. And dy, you switch the coefficients of y with the constants, leave the x alone. So 4, 3. Then we put 14, 10. So it'd be 40 minus 42, which is negative 2. So x is dx divided by d, which would be negative 2 divided by negative 1, which is 2. Y is dy divided by d, which would be negative 2 divided by negative 1, which is 2. Hoo-hoo! So it's 2, 2. Let's see if this works. 6 plus 4 is 10. Yep. 8 plus 6 is 14. So, woohoo, I hope you got it right. A good deal. Oh, we got time. Try one more. Let's do this. 4x plus 3y equals 1, and 5x minus y equals 6. Go ahead and solve that by Cramer for me, and then turn me back on. Okay, so D would be 4, 5, 3, negative 1, which is negative 4 minus 15. These minus these, which is negative 19. dx, you switch the x coefficients with the y's, with the constants. So it'd be 1 over 6, 3, negative 1. So that would be negative 1 minus 18, which is negative 19. And dy, you leave the x coefficients alone, which are 4, 5. Zoop, zoop, zoop. And then you put in the 1/6, the constants, in for the y. So that's 24 minus 5 is 19. So x is dx divided by d, which is negative 19 divided by negative 19, which is 1. And y is dy divided by d, which is 19 divided by negative 19, which is negative 1. So it'd be 1, negative 1. Okay, well, I hope you got that. I hope life is going good. Have a good day.